Hi, fifth graders. Mrs. Matthews here, your school counselor. I wanted to talk to you guys about some of the changes that are going on as we come back from winter break and as we prepare to have you guys here in the building. First, let me say I hope that you all had a wonderful break, some time to rest and relax with your family. Maybe you got to get out and enjoy that little bit of snow that we had, but just know we sure missed you and we are ready to get back to it. So at this time, like I said, I'd like to talk about some changes that are going on. And there's been communication that's come out. There's been emails, there's been phone calls. However, sometimes we just need to hear things more than once because there is a lot going on. So if you have family members, parents, grandparents that are home with you right now and they'd like to come and see and hear what I have to say about what days you're supposed to go to school, attendance, all of that, go ahead and have them come and watch this. It'll just be 2 minutes of their time. That's it. Teachers, go ahead and pause right now so that kiddos, if they'd like to grab a family member, they can do that. All right, so we're talking about two things right now. First, we'll talk about when fifth graders come back to see us in the building. So the plan is for kindergarten through fifth grade students. So my fifth graders get to come back here to Raymond Park, and they get to come back January 19th. So the plan is for fifth grade students to come back January 19th, and that's that day right after Martin Luther King Day. You may have heard about 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, how they will be logging in on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays and participating in live instruction. And that is the plan for them. Fifth graders, I want you guys to kind of plug your ears and not think about that. Fifth graders, right now, you're logging in and seeing your teacher each day. Right before winter break, you weren't on a black and gold schedule. You were logging in and seeing your teachers each day, and that is still the plan for you. The same thing when fifth graders return January 19th, just like before Thanksgiving break. You guys were coming to school every day. You were not on a black and gold schedule. That's still our plan for you. When you come back January 19th, you will be coming back to school every day. With that said, I wanted to also take this time to mention the request window. So families can request for their student to participate virtually, 100% virtually, with the Virtual Learning Academy for the remainder of the year. You can make that request at the Warren website. And the deadline for making that request is this coming Friday, January 8th. So families can go to the Warren website and they can either request, I want my student to participate 100% virtually in the Virtual Learning Academy as a fifth grader, or if students have been participating as a Virtual Learning Academy student and they weren't coming in the building in August, September, October, maybe at this time, families may decide that they want their student to come back in person. So the window is open for requests to happen both ways. So let me just kind of summarize what I talked about here. Fifth graders, you guys, for the next 2 weeks, you'll be logging in every day to see your teachers. On January 19th, whenever you come back here in person, you'll be coming every day. Fifth graders are not doing a black and gold or a hybrid schedule. There is the option to request Virtual Learning Academy, and you can do that on the Warren website, or for VLA, Virtual Learning Academy families, to make the switch to come back. The due date or the close of that request is January 8th. I hope that I've been able to clear up some things for you guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.